Hello, this is Bobby at Copelty Repair, and this is a functionality proof for a mainboard for Vizio XVT553SV, I believe. Yes. That was sent here with a claim that there is nothing on the screen when it starts up after repair. And the board worked right out of the box. We pulled it out yesterday. We tested the fuse, which is a common known issue that I have a few videos about. It tends to fail when this cable is sometimes inserted incorrectly or handled while there is still power on the board and it's outputting 12 volts to the T-con through that cable. And if that is shorted briefly, that fuse is known to blow. It has done that a number of times of the hundreds of repairs that we've done. But anyhow, the board worked found out of the box. It worked for like 3 hours. We turned it off. It was pretty hot. Not nearly as hot as those go, but it was pretty hot. It was working fine. Waited one day to cool it off during the night. Unfortunately, it's warm in Dallas these days, so if temperature is a factor here, which would be unusual but always possible, unfortunately, if temperature is a factor, we just couldn't catch it. And so this is for the customer to show that the board is working. This is the unique signature, and I mean, we can't fix a problem that we don't see. And this video will be submitted and we'll decide what to do, but most likely it will have to go back the way it came. And that's it. Thank you.